helping Paul CUFFARO out at his farm.
It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna show them a couple of the animals, some different things around the farm. They're gonna do some work for me, and that's gonna be an adventure. Although, there'll be a lot more adventures to come here for the VeezyKids. Wink, wink. But, you know, today's a good day. Let's go.
Got a leg.
That's actually a really good throw. Howdy, folks. Want to feed? That's actually a really good throw. You know, a lot of people that I try to throw food in there, they don't even reach the water. A lot of times it goes over there. You guys can each get a...
Hey, what are you about to do? Let them know.
I don't know.
What are you about to do?
We're about to feed all the pigs right now. All the family. There you go. Listen to those little ones scream.
4 different piles.
Yeah, that's good.
The baby's gonna have to scoop, right? Yeah. What is this for? That's good. What if I put this?
Have to make sure to lock it. I will, but I won't.
Go, bring them their food and drop it.
Where? Wait, oh, that one or that one? Rena! Hey! I miss it,
Where'd you step in?
I almost stepped in poop. Yeah. I brought sandwiches.
Hi! Look at his beautiful eyes.
I need food.
Let me see your eyes. What is he trying to do?
Little baby.
You like the VeezyKids merch?
Oh, yeah. There we go. Jump on with me.
Look at those eyes.
Oh, it's scratching it. Oh, it's dirty now. Little baby. And then I got little baby. Baby. So you have to pick it up. I think. Like this. And pick it up. You have easy. Mine's running away. That was fun. Come on. I'm gonna.
So this is how the VeezyKids spend their time. We pick up goats. Bruh. What are they doing?
Are you ready? No, look at go. Look at King. Come here. What's King doing? What is King doing?
King's headbutting the chair.
No, he's scratching his head.
Yeah, you tell that chair.
All the matching shirts. Look at this.
Speaking of merch, as we said last video, every video we're gonna find one of our subscribers that comments and we're gonna give them some merch. So last week's video, Alex Aura posted, and because of that, he gets some free VeezyKids merch. So we'll get a hold of you and we'll reach out and get you that merch. So remember, in this video, one of our subscribers who comments is going to win some VeezyKid merch. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you comment below. Tell us how you liked the video, tell us what you thought, tell us what you want to see us do. Thanks a lot. Now back to the video.
We're out here feeding all the animals. What are you guys most excited for? Animals. What animals?
My favorite are the babies over there.
Little brown ones?
Yeah.
You're slowly training them into liking humans?
Yes.
What about you?
Same as yours. I like the little pigs.
The little pigs?
I like the ducks.
Ducks?
The same pig.
Pigs. Wow, they're little brown pigs. They're really heavy. Think you got them?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna move the cage.
Okay, you got one side.
We're gonna be the ones to not be able to.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Straight to there. Right where the pigs are.
Why can't you lift it?
Just
Lift it!
lift it, Anthony.
Maybe I should have 4 kids.
Lift it.
You got it?
Drop it. I still lift it.
They're figuring out a way to do it. And they've got it.
Okay, yeah.
This is better.
Not really.
Who's gonna make it first? That's the challenge.
Oh, this side. I can't walk back right.
Oh!
Just give me it. Just let me move. Just let me hold it.
They're not doing too hot over there. You win.
Do you let we won.
Oh, she's got it by herself. Alright, now you can put it on top of it. We're gonna max these out. There we go. We'll close this one.
Finally made it.
My feet. Not yet.
Almost. That's gotta go to that one. Bruh. Here, I'll do it. Best is over the shoulder.
Yeah, you'll do it.
Like this.
Do you look at this? Oh no. I'll do it.
One-handed.
Oh my god. Oh what? One scoop.
There you go. Put it right here.
I'll do the other scoop.
Look at the little pigs going crazy in there. They're going nuts. That's your guys' favorite right there?
Yes.
I bet you in a couple months they'll be really good with people if you keep hanging out with them.
Okay guys, so we're here inside and here's the saltwater fish tank.
This.
There's the eel.
Fish tank. This. Oh my gosh.
Look at him moving.
Wow. If we go around, we can get the head of it, but... And the nice coral. I can't really see the eel right now. Oh, there we go. There's the eel.
It's the face. It looks
Looks angry. So we're gonna be feeding them right now.
fish. Look at all of this.
So we're gonna take one of these cubes.
What's it smell like?
There's like shrimp under here, look.
Ew, it's
just like shrimp. Look, there's like kind of like a little baby shrimp.
He's gonna put it back there.
Oh, I see the food going everywhere. I see it. Oh wow, that's actually, that's cool.
And the fish food flies off.
And everything's
Hey, did you guys notice the name here? Make sure you guys go to PaulCuffaroBrand.com to pick up some of Paul Cuffaro's merch.
Wait.
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
Oh, I got a fish!
Oh,
You did.
got
I caught a fish! I caught a fish! It's still
Anthony caught the world's
I got the smallest fish!
Smallest.
Minnow. There's another egg. Where?
Oh, I dropped it. The world's
I got the world's smallest.
smallest.
Rita!
Oh, an egg.
We found it. I got the. Give me this.
Okay.
It's mine. Come on. I got the
All right, I got it.
Dad!
Got the world's smallest minnow.
It's not a minnow. Daddy!
Tilapia, actually.
I got the world's smallest.
Let's go feed it to
Wait, don't touch the egg.
fish.
He's so tiny. I saw him. I saw. I don't know if he's still. Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
All right.
That was scary.
Some catfish.
Ow! Oh my finger! God! The guard almost bit Anthony's finger off. Oh, that's water.
Let's see the professional.
Let's do it again. I can go in this water.
You can?
Yeah. No. Oh! Oh! Ow! Did you?
He just
Where you
fell into the water.
Anthony fell in. He fell in. Okay, right, ready? Fish, skip.
All right, watch out.
Yeah.
All right, go.
Scoot over.
I see bubbles. Oh, okay.
It's stuck. I'll go right.
It's stuck.
No, Money.
It's stuck. Oh my gosh. The thing is stuck.
No, it's fitting. It's not this. It's not. It's right there. Oh! You got something. Can I feed it?
We got three fish.
Oh, so yes. Can I
Of tilapia.
I'll get the biggest. I want this one.
We're gonna feed this one to the guard.
More. No. Oh my God! Another one, the small fish. They keep cast netting. I got it. I got a small fish.
Okay, so she's throwing it in right now, guys. Oh, okay. Try to pull it back.
Oh no! Stuck?
Oh my gosh, it's literally stuck.
I'm not scared to go in, but I am. See,
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
We can go together,
It's literally, guys, look, it's literally stuck.
Go get it. Somebody.
Oh, she's going in.
I just stepped on a fish.
Bruh.
Come on. Go.
I bet it's freezing. Okay, go in, guys. We gotta get it unstuck. We need that.
Go in. Come on, now, come on.
Don't pull it. It's gonna just rip. So don't pull
Ooh, what was that?
it. It's gonna just
It
rip.
goes
Don't pull it.
dramatic.
Don't pull it.
Really, guys, get it undone. It
We gotta get it undone.
Okay, right here, it drops. Oh, it drops. Oh, that is deep. Oh, you guys got it? Yeah.
Oh, they got it.
Oh, I'm so. Oh, I just got one on my feet. So deep.
How high can you throw it and then catch it without it breaking?
Oh,
Oh,
I heard it. Wait. I wanted to fall and back in your head.
Oh, it cracked.
Oh, it cracked. It cracked. What is it? Wait, no. Ew.
Oh.
My hand.
It's like a baby duck pops out.
Wait.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
So apparently duck eggs taste better than chicken eggs because their yolk's thicker. Look, wait, show them the yolk. Look at
at
me just
the yolk.
toss around an egg.
I'm gonna throw it in the air.
Look at that. Look how thick that is.
I'm gonna throw it in the air. What's this?
Oh,
Now who's gonna eat that?
the ducks will. The ducks will just like,
Eat their
So
own
ducks eat
thing.
their own?
yes, they do.
I'll bite it.
So what is this? What'd they find?
I don't know what it is.
Looks like
oyster.
Over there. I'm gonna
it's
try. I'm gonna
looks
try
like
to
a
find.
freshwater clam.
I'm gonna try to find another one. I found it.
But it's not gonna open up. It's alive, so their power is insane.
Bruh.
I'm gonna bite it.
Why don't you put it in the water so it can open up?
Adios. Thank God you didn't smack me with this egg. Unfortunately, a lot of these don't hatch, but you're gonna see a lot of these certain times of the year. High five. I'm leaving. Catch up the fish. Have some fun. Gonna go make some fences at the new PC Farm 2.0.
Okay, VeezyKids, we are done working on PAUL CUFFARO'S farm, and I am tired. So we're gonna wrap up this video.
But make sure to like,
Click the bell icon to join the Noti Gang. And subscribe to become a VeezyKid like us!
Also, comment down below so you can get some free merch.